Hey everyone, this video is to demonstrate with cron scheduler to automate a Python script to perform certain tasks. While cron execute these Python script tasks, standard output and standard error message will be redirect to log file in order to keep track of the script exit status. For demonstration purposes, this video will use this script as example. This Python script basically checks RSS feeds update and push for webhook notification if interested item contain in the latest feeds. Under GitHub README installation note, suggest a cron syntax example. Here is an example to set cron scheduler based on cron time format. Now let's change directory into automation folder. Using git clone command to download the Python script into automation folder. Let's enable Python virtual environment to install Python require packages. Now that required Python package is installed, can proceed to set cron schedule. After set the preferred time and redirection output destination, can check the log file for output result. System syslog indicates cron job has successfully executed. Log file created under temporary folder show that it successfully record standard error output. Let's do a final demo with correct Python version with intended standard output. Double greater sign to redirect and append standard output into log file with 2 and 1 file descriptor. Based on syslog record indicate Python script has successfully executed. As there is no interested feed update matched filter, based on script code snippets, it is expected to get no release update message with today's date and time. That's all for today demo. Hope this video being informative. Video additional info will be put under video description. Please like and subscribe.